Hey everyone, it's Nick Valenti with NJ Valenti Art, and in this video I want to share something I'm very excited about, and that is Affinity will be dropping a major new update next week on November 9th. I'll have a link to the trailer in the description below. Now the announcement is quite vague, but they are alluding to some major changes, and it does seem like they're going to have an update for the full Affinity suite, so for Affinity Photo, Affinity Designer, and so on. We can only really guess at this point at some of the features they may be adding. Um, I know as far as Affinity Designer, I would love maybe a more enhanced shape builder tool or live mirror vectoring or a vector eraser would be super cool. But we're just going to have to wait and see, and fortunately, we don't have that long to wait. Again, it's going to drop next Wednesday, November 9th. So I will be here, and once it drops, I'll be covering all the new features and updates. Let me know in the comments what you think they may be adding and what you might be looking forward to the most. And until next time.